In this video, we'll see how to protect files manually on Windows. Let's get started. Right-click on the file you wish to protect. Click Seclore it. The Seclore protection screen will appear. Enter the recipients. Select Permissions. Click More to select permissions on a more granular level. Click Expiry to set an expiry date for the file. Alternatively, select the number of days after which the file will expire. Click Locations to allow access to the file from certain IP ranges. You may also lock the file to a particular device when it's open for the first time. To add other recipients with different permissions, click Add Recipients with different permissions. When you add a domain as a recipient, all the user within that domain will have access to the file. Click Protect. Your file will get protected and a Seclore lock icon will appear on the file. Now, let's see how to protect files with predefined policies set by your organization. In the Seclore protection screen, click Policies. Select the policy you wish to protect the file with. Click Protect. For more help, write to support@seclore.com.